Hi everyone, I'm back. I literally don't know how it's been a year. Like, it doesn't feel like it's been a year, but like 12th grade basically like took over my life. 12th grade was fun though, you know. I was basically like smiling through the pain, but it was like fun. I basically couldn't upload for like a whole year because I was like busy with school and whatnot. But now I'm all free and I have time to upload. So here I am uploading. So in this video I'm going to be trying out Polygel for the first time. Like, I've been meaning to try it out for quite a long time and I've seen like a lot of videos on YouTube. And all of them seem too good to be true. So we're going to test it out today. So I found like the cheapest kit I could find on Amazon. Like, hoping to substitute stuff that it didn't include with stuff I already had, because like it was very cheap and it didn't have half the supplies you needed. Very important stuff you need but is not included in the kit. Sunscreen, hand sanitizer, slip solution, nail file, nail polish remover. The first step of the whole process was to remove my pre-existing nail polish, and this literally took so much time. But just when I thought I was done, I found a blue layer under the maroon. So once you're done with that, you have to like apply sunscreen all over your fingers because you're going to be putting them under the UV lamp. Then you want to file your nails like pretty good so that the polygel doesn't like fall off your fingers. Now the next step is to find the dual form that fits your fingers correctly, or if it doesn't fit your fingers correctly, like you have to like size up and never size down, because like I don't know, that's what I've seen on like all these YouTube videos. Then I added my slip solution and then realized how little product was there inside the tube and like how much of a scam this box was. Then I added my polygel into my dual form and like shaped it very nicely with my slip solution, and then I added it onto my nail. I like pressed it on and then used more slip solution to make it all smooth, and then I kept shaping it and maybe I shaped it a bit too much, not gonna lie. After I was done with that, I put it under the UV lamp for like some time till I got like tired, and then I took it out, and then once I was done applying all of the gel onto all of my nails, it was time for me to file them according to the shape and size that I desired, like so. I didn't really like the white color that the gel was, so I decided to apply nail polish on it. Like, I put this like pinky beige color on all of my nails, and then later realized that I like hated the color. So I brought out this ugly blue color and then I put on my nail and realized how ugly it was, and then ended up changing it. But yeah, I figured something out, and here is the final product. It's the next day right now. My middle finger nail just popped off. Like, I woke up after sleeping and then I literally couldn't even find where that nail went. It just like vanished into thin air. When I like unfolded my whole bed and then I still couldn't find it. So I think like the best advice I can give you all is just like buy stuff that you don't have, like the gel, the UV lamp, the dual form, and like the brush that it comes with. Everyone has a paintbrush in their house, so just use that. And like the other side of the paintbrush, no one even uses. I didn't even use it. I just like put the gel directly onto my nail. But yeah, I'll probably have to fix this because I need more B-roll for the video. But yeah, overall the nails were like, it came out pretty well. That was all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one.